write the title. So lesson 6, fractional parts. This should be mostly a review of fractions, all right? So don't forget, we call the top of the fraction a numerator and the bottom of the fraction a denominator. And this bar actually means divide, right? And fractions are parts of a whole. Could I split your desk equally in half?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So we have parts of a whole. In this lovely picture, what part is shaded out of the whole, Gideon? It is 1/6. All right. So my numerator is the part that is shaded, and it's out of 6 pieces of pizza. If they ask you to use words, which they will, you would write this as 1/6. What number is half of 400? Now, some of you can just do that in your head, okay? We're going to set it up like this, half of 400. Of does mean multiply. When we get to algebra, we'll be setting this up more. However, to solve, what do we do to solve? What do you think? Yep.
We're going to divide 400.
Yep, we're going to divide 400 by 2. And that is going to give us half of 400, which, yes, is what, everyone?
200.
It is 200. All right. Not sure why I have that there. All right. What number is a third of 450? We are actually multiplying, again, a third of 450. Of means multiply. All right. But we're going to divide to solve. So to solve this one, Marcus, what are we going to do? 450 divided by 3. Now, this only works because these are unit fractions. What is a unit fraction? Anyone know? Yep.
There's not, like a number for the numerator? There's a number, but
Right. It's only a 1. Okay? This only works when there's a 1 in the numerator. That's it. Where you can divide by that bottom number. We are going to learn how to multiply these fractions and then divide, all right? But for now, we're dividing by 3. This goes in 1 time. Subtract the 3. Bring down the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. Subtract the 15. We have the 0, so we still have to put another 0 here. A third of 450 is 150. How much money is 1/5 of $4.50? All right. Again, we are going to divide $4.50 by 5. And Aaliyah, how many times does 5 go into 45? Yep. And then we would do the 5 into the 0, which goes in 0 times. When we have decimal division, the decimal just goes right up here. And we usually have a 0 before the decimal as well. And we would want a dollar sign since this is a money problem. So $4.50 divided by 5 is 90 cents. All right, draw this rectangle and shade 1/3 of it. All right, is this 1/3? No, what is this? Yeah, it's split into 6. So how many of these do I need to shade, everybody?
2.
Yes. All right, 2/6 is equal to 1/3. It will reduce. So we need to shade a third of it, which is 2 of those boxes, 2/6. Use words and numbers to write the fraction that is shaded. All right. Macy says it is 3/4. Excellent. And you're going to write it also with words. And that would be 3/4. fourths. All right, you guys, grab a whiteboard.